What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to convert a video to a live photo on your iPhone using iOS 18. Converting a video to a live photo on an iPhone can be handy for saving storage space and for setting dynamic wallpapers on your lock or home screen. However, as of iOS 18, iPhones do not have a built-in tool to directly convert videos into live photos, so we'll use TikTok to get the job done. Don't worry, it's quick and easy. First, if you don't already have the TikTok app installed on your iPhone, head over to the App Store and download it. Once it's installed, sign in or create an account if you don't already have one. After you're logged in, it's important to check that TikTok has the necessary permissions to access your photos. To do this, open your iPhone Settings app, search for TikTok in the search bar above, and go to the TikTok settings page. Here, make sure that in the photo section, the permission is set to full access. This will allow TikTok unrestricted access to your photo gallery, which is essential for converting the video. Now, open the TikTok app. To begin the conversion, press the plus button at the center of the screen. This is how you upload new content. Select the upload option, and from there, browse to your gallery to find the video you want to convert into a live photo. Once you've chosen the video, tap Next. Since you don't want to post this video publicly, tap on the Who can watch this video option and set it to Only Me. This way, the video is private and only visible to you. After that, press Post to upload the video to your TikTok profile. Once the upload is complete, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Then, tap the lock icon to access the video you've just uploaded. Once you find the video, tap on the three dots located on the side of the screen to open the menu options. Swipe left on the pop-up menu that appears, and you'll see an option labeled Live Photo. Tap on this option and TikTok will automatically convert the video to a live photo. Once the conversion is complete, the live photo will be saved directly on your phone's Photos app. To verify it, open your Photos app and you should see the newly created live photo in your gallery. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.